Do you want to convert your Figma design? Do you want to convert your Figma design? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today, so here's the process. First, we'll connect bolt.new to Figma. Then we'll copy your design frame and import it straight into Bolt. And finally, we'll see how it turns into a live React project that you can edit, customize, and deploy. The fact that you can import your Figma designs into real working websites is already mind-blowing to me. But what really surprised me is that it even converts designs into clean React code for your app or site. That's just insane. So let's get started. The process is actually really simple. So all you do is right-click on a design in Figma, copy the link to the frame, and then paste it straight into Bolt. Bolt runs everything in the background for a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you've got a website built in React with White. Inside Bolt, you can see all in a VS Code style interface. The React code, the data elements, and even a live preview of the design setting right there. Honestly, the fact that I can import a design in just a few seconds is already mind-blowing. Let me show you with something small first. I'll start by importing a simple pricing list component I made in Figma. Because it's built with auto layouts, every element can move around, and that actually helps Bolt understand how to structure the component when it writes the code. Back in Bolt, I hit Import from Figma. The first time you try this, you need to log into both Bolt and Figma so they can connect. After that, you're good to go. Now, I'll grab the link for that frame in Figma, paste it into Bolt, and wait a minute while it does its thing. Bolt downloads all the images, SVGs, and assets, then splits out a React project. The code is separated into components, styled with Tailwind, CSS, and sometimes a bit of extra CSS where needed. I can preview the design right away and from here start customizing. For example, I can click on the price and type, change this from $19 to $50 a month. Bolt rewrites the code in the background and updates the preview instantly. If I want a bigger picture, I can go broader, like turning the whole pricing card into one for a design course. Bolt regenerates the features and the layout, and now I've got something entirely different without touching the code myself. When I'm done, I can just download the project files or deploy directly to Supabase. Now let's set it up. Here's a full homepage design for a property search site. Normally this would take me hours to code by hand, but with Bolt, it's the same process. Copy the frame link, paste into Bolt, and let it run. This is where Figma's best practices matter. Don't leave frames named frame 1, rename them properly, like desktop homepage 1440 pixels. Group your elements, label them clearly as navbar, footer, whatever they are, and definitely use auto layouts because that gives Bolt the structure it needs to build responsive components. Once imported, I can preview the entire page, switch between desktop and mobile, and look under the hood to see how code is structured. As someone who codes in React, HTML, and CSS, it makes perfect sense. But even if you're a beginner, this is super valuable because you start to see exactly how a Figma design becomes real components. And just like before, I can chat with Bolt to customize the whole page, swap images, update copy. It all happens instantly. Everything I've shown so far is just the Figma importer, but Bolt can do a lot more. People are already using it to build MVPs, full-stack apps, even games. For me though, being able to go from a Figma design to working React code in minutes is already insane. By the way, this video was sponsored by Malcare, the security plugin that keeps your WordPress sites safe from hacks and malware. If you're building client sites, Malcare gives you a one-click malware removal, a real firewall, and automated scans. So you don't have to worry about security ever again. I'll drop a free plan down below so you can check it out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more hands-on web design and dev videos, and let me know in the comments what Figma design you would want to import first with Bolt. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.